Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video you will learn how to make a pro picture on Note 5. So let's begin the video. Simply open your camera. So here what you need to do is you will swipe right side. Here at the top there is option of Pro. You will tap on Pro. So the Pro mode is on. You can adjust your levels from here, your brightness level, your ISO, your colors. You can tap like this. So here is the blur system of your phone. You can auto from it or manual from it. So here are the filters. You can change your filters also from here. So this is the process of making a pro picture from Note 5. Thank you.